that's fun. Ooh, nice. Hey everybody, welcome to Let's Do This with Evan, and today I am trying to figure out why my air conditioner and my lights and my heater keep shutting off in the camper. I can't figure it out. I knew the inverter's pretty new, and so I thought I'd check it out, even though everything's going wonky, and here we go. This is a mouse nest, and it's been happening for a while. So gross. What happens is this gets in the way of the inverter, and it heats up. It knows there's no airflow, so it just shuts off. So it goes to battery power, drains out the battery, and I was charging batteries and swapping batteries in and out. I thought for sure it was going to be something to do with my wiring, and I thought, well, let's check behind the fuse box, and oh my god, it was all over. So that silver thing on the wall there, that's your power, your inverter, and it makes your shore power, your whatever 50 amp 30 amp into DC power, because that's what usually runs your AC, your lights, your heater, everything in your camper, except for some other things like if you have a TV, things like that. Some TVs are DC power, not all of them, but a lot of things run off of DC in these campers. So it's not enough that you clean the mess, you got to keep it from happening again. So I got your steel wool. I find these little holes. That's where the mice are coming in. I plug them up with steel wool. Mice hate steel wool. So if you shove that, any holes that you find in your camper, you're not going to have a problem anymore. They can't chew through it. They hate how it feels on their teeth. They just never get through it. So even when you're not using your camper, shove that in your exhaust, in your heater vents outside your camper. Just make sure to pull them out if you're going to be using your heater, because they'll come in through any little hole. There's a hole that the wires are coming in through the floor. So after I put these in, I had a lot less mouse problems in my camper. So not only was it messing up my, they take that insulation out of the wall, so it's less insulation overall. And once I put it back together, everything's working fine. So like, subscribe, share. A lot of people didn't even know where the inverter was or that this might even be an issue. So don't replace it before you try this. Thanks for watching.